Here's this Menards 3-inch hugger. It only has 3 blades right now. The other 2 are right there, 3 I should say, and the globe, which doesn't fit with the bulb I have in it. I took down the whatever Walmart fan it was that was here before, and I hung this up here for temporary because, well, I need to replace that box. But for a little fan, it pushes out a lot of air. I'll probably make a video of it with all blades on it in a little bit. Low. I just want to do a video with the 3 blades because I thought it looked neat. But yeah, this is kind of temporary. This is actually going to end up going in the hallway over there when I can figure out how to do so. Either that or I want to get one of those little rainbow fans, or the Incon Princess 30-inch spinner, or one of the Hampton Bay Minuet fans. I kind of want to find one of these, but in like antique brass or whatever it's called. It would have been that finish there with the dark blades. But there's that. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.